So with that, I'd like to welcome Anne-Marie Mazza. She is the director for the National Academy of Medicine Strategic Initiatives, and she leads the Academy Committee on Science, Technology, and Law, where she leads numerous high-profile and influential consensus studies. Anne-Marie?
Thank you, David. When I came in the room and I saw the fingerprint, I thought, oh, I feel right at home. But I thought, oh my gosh, we issued a report in 2009 that questioned the validity of fingerprint evidence and other evidence. So I'm a little nervous at the same time with that fingerprint there. Good morning. On behalf of Dr. Zhao and McGinnis, I'd like to welcome all of you to the National Academy of Sciences. We are delighted that so many of you can join us today in person and that many of you will be viewing via the web. When I was reviewing some of the background materials for this meeting, I was reminded of how the legal community also wrestles with understanding how group or population data are relevant to individuals. In court, trial judges typically need to resolve cases at the individual level, yet they are often presented with evidence that is derived from studying groups. Judges must determine whether and how this scientific knowledge is relevant to the individual cases before them. Because courts are inconsistent in making these determinations, legal scholars such as David Faigman have tried to provide guidance to the courts. Faigman refers to this problem as the group-to-individual inference in scientific expert testimony, and he and his colleagues propose a distinction between two types of expert evidence. Framework evidence, which describes scientific propositions. For example, does drug A increase the likelihood of birth defects? And diagnostic evidence that applies the general proposition to individual cases. Were the plaintiff's birth defects caused by drug A? This distinction may have implications regarding the admissibility standards used by judges in considering whether to admit expert evidence. Today with you, I'm looking forward to learning about different approaches to this issue in the context of healthcare and personalized medicine. We are so pleased to see multiple stakeholders here today, and we look forward to hearing from each of you. We hope today's meeting will promote further collaboration and consideration of ways to advance research and to develop policies that will support physicians in providing patient-centered care. Welcome.